by locking in those profits. Up $50 today, guys. Push up from lows where I bought to highs. We'll see what happens. Discord pulled up. This is where we have our new members coming in. We're going to capture this huge sell-off, this breakup support here, all the way down to 90,000. Stacking up those small wins over time consistently, that's going to make you a more profitable trader. $50 might not sound like a lot, but $50 5 days a week, that's 250 bucks, right? That's $1,000 a month if you're consistent.
I wanted to show you that we are up $49.61, as you can see.
Good morning, good morning. It is 7 o'clock. It's time to get up, get ready, and get to my trading station. We gotta go live with our LTE team and make that money. All right, we are all set up. We got our contacts in and we got our Discord pulled up. This is where we have our new members coming in. Looks like we have quite a few new members this week, maybe about 10 to 20 new members this week. And there I am live right there. We got our charts on the other screen, and yeah, excited to go live with you all again. This is something we do every single day at market open. And I was just thinking, you know, the people on the East Coast got it easy. They could wake up at 9:30, 9 o'clock to trade the charts at market open. People in the Midwest, like myself, Mountain Standard Time, have to wake up at 7:30. California has to wake up at 6:30. And the people in Hawaii, man, you guys, I'm sorry, you guys got to wake up at like 4:30 a.m. to be able to trade market open. So grateful to be alive, grateful to have another day trading with you guys, and I'm excited to see where the market brings us. I believe the market is going to sell off today, but I could be wrong. So let's see which direction the market really plays, and let's see what trade we take to make some more money to wrap up our end of the week here. So let's go ahead and dive into the computer and trade with the team. All right, we're trading with our Learn to Earn team, waiting to see if we get another drop below. Looks like QQQ did drop below a little, but we want to see a little bit more drop. It can come down this way if it really wants to. We are shorting. Bitcoin is pushing slightly, but I would love to see this also come down just a little bit more here for our MSTZ position, where we can actually see a nice push up from lows where I bought to highs. We'll see what happens here. We got 120 shares with our Learn to Earn team, and we are live. Already been live for about 28 minutes. Excited to see what happens. And this is what we do every single morning. We trade live with our LTE team. If you want to watch me trade live, get involved with other Learn to Earn members, then all you have to do is hit that first link in the description below, and that'll give you access to our Discord, 100% free, lifetime access to the first 1,000 members. After that, I will start charging, and guys, we're already at about 700 members, so there's only 300 free spots left. I'm curious to see how far we can push the group, how many members actually join, and I'm also curious to see if we make any money on this position. We have a potential to make over $100 to $200 today on this position shorting Bitcoin in these oversold or overbought conditions of the market. And just like that, guys, locked in 3% on the day within 1 hour of trading. We are now up, what, $49, almost $50. I did save my one lucky share of MSTZ, buying the low down here and selling that high. As Bitcoin began to sell off, we were able to capture this huge sell off, this breakup support here, all the way down to 90,000. MSTR did not follow as much as I would have liked, only pushing from 185 down to 179, but doing a great job by locking in those profits. Up $50 today, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. If you guys want to watch me trade live every single morning at market open, all you have to do is click the first link in the description below, and you can tune in, watch me trade live, follow along if you'd like, and start making some money. All right, now let's move on with the day. It's Friday, and it's time to go do something fun. Real quick, I just wanted to show you the areas I bought on MSTZ and the area I sold, and it's still continuing to push up, but these are the patterns that I love to trade. It's showing signs of support. The moving average is pushing up, and it's following that 45 EMA as I added into here. It followed it up very nicely. I sold right here at that resistance level, and it looks like it's pushing higher. Still locking in over $50, just shy of $50 in profits with the team. I also want to take a second to say thank you to all of my subscribers out there. We had a video take off crazy. This one, how I plan to create the life of my dreams, over almost 6,000 views in 48 hours. Amazing. I just want to say thank you. There was a point where, you know, I was making videos and getting 10 views, 50 views, and doing that for a very long time. Now we're getting traction. We have videos making 300 views, 500 views, 1,000 views, 2,000 views. This one is insane. It made just shy of 6,000 views in less than 48 hours. And guys, we only have 7,471 subscribers. So we're very close to that 8,000 subscriber mark. And it's great. It's a great day. The channel's growing, our stock account is growing, and it all starts because of our 30-day challenge, our daily habits that are going to get us to where we need to go, our master plan. I have a book showing my master plan, making sure that I review it every day. I'm looking at my goals, that way I could push myself toward those goals and toward my dreams. If you're not writing your goals down, definitely do so. You should be. And I just want to say thanks again. Consider subscribing to the channel. Which I guess leads me to my next point. We are actually at day number 10 of the 30-day challenge. So we're literally more than, well, we're a third of the way there, almost halfway through our 30-day challenge. And that doesn't mean I'm just gonna stop after 30 days. We're gonna push it to 60 days, 120 days, 365 days. But first, we gotta get through this 30-day challenge. And again, the channel is showing success. I wanna showcase that to you here. In the last 28 days, we have over 20,000 views on the channel, over 372 hours of watch time. We've gained 16 subscribers, and guys, only in the first 10 days of the challenge. Okay, so we're growing, the channel's growing, stock account's growing, I'm growing mentally, I'm growing stronger by pushing myself in the gym, and that's what it's all about. We're getting more LTE members in our Discord, and overall creating these daily habits and being more consistent in everything I do. Because remember, the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. And the way you do everything should be the way you do one thing. And so with that said, let's get out there. Let's have a great Friday. Continue this vlog. We're gonna go get some groceries tonight. We're gonna cook some Salisbury steak from scratch. That's something that I've done in the past, and it's come out delicious. The wife loves it, kids love it, I love it. We're talking Salisbury steak, stuffing, mashed potatoes. And we'll probably go on a walk. Maybe we're gonna find somewhere different to walk than besides around the lake. And yeah, excited to bring you guys along with me. So let's go. All right, what you guys think for the day? Got some drip on. Actual drip, says drip. So what you think? Looking pretty good? Hell yeah. Got some sweats on, because of course it's wintertime. Only supposed to be about 57 degrees. But we're still gonna get after it. We're still gonna do something fun. All right, so first stop on the day. My daughter's having a school movie day. We're gonna be watching a movie, so we got volunteered to take them some popcorn. Got the biggest box we could find. And also got, where did my Celsius go?
Oh, I thought you finished it.
Never mind. Cool, so before we go on our walk, I wanted to say that this strategy is not a get-rich-quick scheme or get-rich-quick strategy. If you want to try to get rich overnight, it's not going to happen. You can try, but usually it does more harm than good. It's all about stacking up those small wins over time consistently. That's going to make you a more profitable trader. $50 might not sound like a lot, but $50 5 days a week, that's 250 bucks, right? That's $1,000 a month if you're consistent. All right, another beautiful day out here walking around this little pond lake. I'm gonna pan around so you can see. This is what I get to see. All the time when we're walking, we get to just hang out, walk around this little lake, enjoy the day. Beautiful day in December. We had a green day trading. We didn't take a trade yesterday, and I think we took a trade on Tuesday, something like that, or Wednesday. But end of the week in the green. Now we get to enjoy the weekend, hang out in the beautiful sun and warm weather, and enjoy the day. It's not always about watching the charts and being inside, but yeah, this is one of my favorite parts of the day. Get a walk around this beautiful lake. And they got little fountains. Can you hear them? There's real fish in here. In the spring and summer, there's a bunch of ducks and geese. There's a ton of squirrels. There's like 4 or 5 little squirrel families that live here as well. So, yep, gotta enjoy our day and then go eat some lunch. And that's it for now. Man, okay, walk is completed. I think we did about 1.5 miles. That's about 2 times around. Had to take off that hoodie black sweater thing, man. It is freaking hot. Time to open up our sunroof. And yeah, boom. Let's go get some lunch and something to drink. Cheers. Alright, we're here in the, what do they call it? Something Market Bar here in Trinidad, Colorado. At Grill 14. There's a ton of places to eat in here. I think they have like 5, 6 restaurants. They got a coffee shop and they got a bar. Let me do a little pan around. You can see the bar is over there, and they got a pretty good little menu. So yeah, gonna hang out here, enjoy the day, and just chill for a little bit. All right, so
have you here now, I wanted to show you that we are up $49.61, as you can see, right? Real money. And it is December 12th. It's a Friday, so thought I'd treat ourselves to a date night. I mean, usually we do on Fridays, we go on some sort of a date, me and the wife. Probably gonna do a game night tonight with the kids. So, you know, we're gonna go get some snacks and some food and things to do like a board game night. Kids are getting a little older, but they're not old enough to where they don't enjoy game nights, right? So, gonna have a good night and go from there, guys. All right, leaving that little spot. Gonna go do something else. Time to get ready for game night. Friday night game night with the kids and the wife. And let's go. Moving on.
Love the smell of meat.
And have some meat or some pizza or something, right? We gotta eat something good tonight. Some nachos, something.